It's so hard. It's so hard to roll with like trouble or anything. But no, we're not. We don't like it. And nighttime, it's like I get too hot. I have my fan on, and then I like sleep on my side. And usually my dog is like right here. I'm trying to get on the bed, and they go.
It's like a nap break so we can hear.
How you feeling, Bemos? Merry Christmas. We are the Dick and the Foreskins, also known as the Seagulls. We're gonna play some Christmas songs for you. We're gonna play some original Seagull music for you too, so. Big shout out to Nick Nixon for opening this party up. Give him a round of applause, sounded awesome. First time on the stage in 5 years. Fuck yeah, good to have you back. Rounding out the night, we got Hellbound Drifters, the Hellbound Drifters. Bemo's staple. All right, we're gonna kick it off. You guys ready? You may know this one as well. Good old Santa Claus down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joy. Ho, ho, ho! Who wouldn't go? Ho, ho, ho! Who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, lick, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. First comes the stocking with little Nell. Oh dear Santa, fill it well. Give her a dolly that laughs and cries. see what a glorious film. Here is a hammer with lots of tacks, also a ball that whips and cracks. Ho, ho, ho! Who wouldn't go? Ho, ho, ho! Who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. You guys feel good out there, huh? It's good to hear. Who wants to sit on Santa's lap? All right, we're gonna do some Seagull songs for you too. Nothing to hide, and if you let me in, This next one's about Charlie's nuts. I can't sleep without you.